Hello and welcome to Jay's Smokehouse. Today we're going to show you how we make our barbecue rub. It's just 4 quick and easy spices to go in there. There's cumin, onion powder, garlic powder and paprika. I think that these 4 added together make the base of a fantastic tasting rub. It's very easy to do. All you need is a good container, something to pop them in, what will keep out moisture so that over a period of time it doesn't get all claggy. You want it to stay nice and fresh and crumbly. So we just get the cumin powder. I love this. I don't really measure them out, I just kind of do it different each time, and that each time gives me a different slight flavour, and it's fantastic. And the day when I really hit on something that I just can't believe how nice it is, I'll probably never remember how to do it again. So we've added the cumin. We're just going to put some garlic powder into it now. Same thing again. We perhaps don't go so mad on the garlic powder. We perhaps go for maybe a quarter of the bag. Not too much, but not too little. Garlic flavour is quite strong, so we put a fair bit in, so as you can see. Now we're just putting some onion powder in. Same thing again. Onion powder is quite strong, so we just put probably about a quarter of the bag in, maybe just over. And then it's all about the paprika. Now the paprika's fantastic stuff because it gives it a gorgeous orangey red colour. Once you get it in there and you mix it in, for the beginning of it, it'll go like a light orange, but then over a period of time, when you leave it to rest for a couple of days or so, that colour will get into all of the spices and it'll end up looking fantastic. So we just put it into our container, make sure the lids are nice and tight, and then it's a case of just shaking it up. You want to shake it as much as possible. It takes a while. Make sure that you mix all those spices together, and when it's done, you'll see. So with the magic of fast forwardsing, my arms are aching, and you can see it's all mixed together, and what we have there is a beautiful ready to go spice rub, what we can just put onto our things. Thanks for watching.